kitty. Well, I don't know if he's my cat or not, but why he sitting up there? I know he better not fuck with my birds. We're going here and find him something to eat. I know good and well he ain't trying to eat my birds. Oh, he is kind of fat. He eating something. Hey, go on down there and get that food I put in the yard. Get that stuff out the yard. Leave my birds alone. Go on, get the food out the yard. Go on, kitty, kitty. This like the same cat. I can't even see him. They're like the same one. He's saying something. I don't speak cat though. Is she pregnant? Is that a girl cat? I'm more scared of her than she's scared of me. Isis. Carrie saying, what am I supposed to do? She fat. It look like she might be pregnant. I don't know how to deliver animals. I don't know how to deliver babies. What am I gonna do? She look thick. Where's she going? Go get the food I left in the yard. She went the wrong way. Is she pregnant? I think she going home. She don't even live here. I feed her though. Is she pregnant? She was saying something, but I'm afraid, so I can't even open the door. I tried to, but I saw her cat eyes, and I got scared.